Changing the phone number on your Capital One account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Capital One website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select contact information. Look for an option labeled contact information or personal information. Click on this to view your current phone number and other contact details. Step 4. Update your phone number. Find the field for your phone number and enter the new number you wish to use. Make sure to double check for any errors before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to ensure your new phone number is saved to your account. By following these steps, you can easily change the phone number associated with your Capital One account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Capital One customer support for assistance.